Nordic Pocket Saw is the most award-winning pocket-sized hand-powered chainsaw. It's tough, powerful, and packable. It's lightweight, and the handy case makes it easy to take along with you, making it a reliable companion for exciting outdoor activities.
When I'm out in the outdoors, no matter what I'm doing, I'm always bringing some essential tools. They are the knife, an axe, and then of course a saw. With the Nordic Pocket Saw, I have a very small and powerful piece that I easily can carry in my pockets or in my backpack and have easy access to whenever I need it.
The saw provides smooth and effective cutting in both directions. The strong and durable nylon handles ensure a safe and comfortable grip. With the Nordic Pocket Saw, you can easily cut hard-to-reach branches. You can also use the Nordic Pocket Saw for dragging logs. The chain is made from heat-treated high-carbon steel. Laboratory strength tests prove that the Nordic Pocket Saw cope with forces up to 5,940 Newton and 20 times the power of normal use. To summarize, Nordic Pocket Saw is practical, effective, and durable. Nordic Pocket Saw. It's just raw, compact power.
We're EST Gear, and today we want to introduce you to our brand new multi-tool, the EST Shovel. The shovel is a lightweight, packable, ultra-capable 18-in-1 hardworking tool that's the perfect companion for any adventure. The EST shovel comes with a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack. It is also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. We've added a durable foam-like grip that makes it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last, no matter how you use it. But it wasn't just built for adventure, because it comes with many practical and important life-saving tools. Keep it in your car or truck so that if disaster strikes, you're always ready to go. The shovel is adventure tested, from traditional camping to hiking to survival readiness. We know what it takes to make an adventure great, and tools are a big part of that. Which is why we included all of the essentials such as a shovel, knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more. We call it the world's most capable tool because the EST shovel is built to do it all and help you to have fun while doing it. We've been making high-quality camping gear for years, but this is our first product that we're selling directly to consumers. We have everything ready to start mass production and will be able to ship by you, but we need to meet the volume and manufacturing requirements, which is why, if you back our campaign, you'll save 50% off the shovel for helping us to bring this project to life. We chose Indiegogo because we want to create a community of like-minded adventurers who love great tools. Now, all we need is you.
This is the Schrade SCHF30 full-tang fixed-blade survival knife. A sturdy multi-purpose knife serving survivalists and outdoors enthusiasts alike. This full-tang fixed blade weighs in at 6.3 ounces. Cloaked in black with an overall length of 9.7 inches, the SCHF30 is a stout, rugged, clip-point fine-edge survival and bushcraft knife. Fashioned from tough, edge-holding, powder-coated HCR13 Movi, high-carbon stainless steel honed to a razor-sharp edge, the knife features a thumb ramp with ergonomic jimping, accompanied by a finger guard on the grip's underside. With a blade length of 4.9 inches, the SCHF30 handles batoning tasks with ease. Use the sharp 90-degree spine to generate a shower of sparks from a ferro rod. The clip-point design allows for maximum penetration when piercing, and textured TPE handle slabs, held to the knife by 3 steel bolts, ensures a firm, reliable grip in even the wettest conditions. An oval lanyard hole at the knife's base allows attachment of a lanyard, which can be slipped over the wrist when performing chopping tasks for added security. With 9 grommet holes, the black thermoplastic sheath accommodates a number of multi-carry options and features 4 slots for lashing the sheath to another piece of gear or a pack. as tactical as it is practical, made from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF30 full tang fixed blade survival knife.
Diamond tool sharpener. It's pocket sized to easily carry to the job site or into the woods. This is the perfect tool for the workshop or your garden tool shed. The double-sided sharpening tablet is housed in an easy grip puck-style handle and comes with a portable storage pouch. The ergonomic handle features a built-in finger guard for safety. The reversible sharpening tablet features two dedicated surfaces, an extra coarse 220 grit side for damaged or very dull edges, and a fine 600 grit side for sharp edge. These are attached to the handle by a strong magnet, so it's very easy to change your grip. For smaller blades, like your outdoor knife, grasp the back of the sharpener and draw the tool across the surface. For larger blades, like axes or lower blades, stabilize the tool in a vise or on a firm surface, and glide the tablet across the edge of the blade in a circular motion, overlapping the circles as you move along the cutting edge. These tablets work completely dry, and there's no messy oil needed. The Sharpal face-off dual grit diamond tool sharpener.
Hi, I'm Janelle with Solo Stove, and this is the Solo Stove Titan. This is our medium-sized wood-burning stove, which is still pretty light, weighing in at only 16.5 ounces, making an ideal cooking system for 2 to 4 people. Whether you're needing to boil, simmer, or fry, the Titan is a great choice when wanting a larger flame for cooking while still maintaining portability. It also nests perfectly within our Pot 1800 to save space. The Solo Stove Titan is made with 304 stainless steel and has a nichrome wire grate, making it durable and ready to provide you with years of use. The patented design has a double wall that allows for super efficient airflow, resulting in hotter fires. This means less smoke and minimal ash. Each stove also comes with a nylon stuff sack, and that's the Solo Stove Titan.